It's alright. It will be sorted out. Yes. Yes, come in, the door is open. Yes, like I told you. It will be sorted out. Oh, let me get back to you. Mr. Oster, you're welcome, sir.
Thank you very much.
Please
It's
sit
been a
down.
while.
Likewise here. You're welcome.
So how are you?
I am good, and you?
I'm okay, as you can see. I'm
And I
very
hope
well.
all yours are fine too.
Everybody's fine.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
What do I offer you?
I'm okay. I quite appreciate it. Thank you.
If you say so.
I came on behest of your husband. Is he in?
No, he went out. You don't bet.
He went out? In his condition?
My dear, I begged, I pleaded, but he insisted. But don't worry, he'll come back.
Your husband told me about the face-off between your two lovely daughters. And he sounded so urgent on the phone. And that's why I'm here.
It's urgent indeed. Both of them were engaged with one particular man at different periods of their lives. And now two of them are dragging this particular man. It seems simple as I'm saying it, but it's so complicated. So complicated.
This is very serious. Have you tried talking to them?
Severally, many times, but to no avail.
Are they both home right now?
No, they are not in, but they will soon be back.
Okay. Please, I don't know, with your permission, if talking to them could possibly be of help from me.
Oh, what are you talking about? Maybe the reason my husband invited you, please, if you can talk to these girls, to help them come back to their senses, I also appreciate it. Okay?
All right, I'll try. I possibly have to be on my way right now. I'll see if I can come back.
That would be great. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
I'll say me hi to your family.
Oh, I will. I will.
All right.
I'll see you around.
Take care.
You have a nice day. Bye. Hope this works.
Adanne, I'm not here to argue whether Lucas is your man or not. You both have grown to adults. And your father did not spend so much money on your education just for you to be reliant on men. I'm here to plead with you. If there's any way you can ensure that you go along with your sister, please do it. Eh? You are my firstborn child, and it is your responsibility to make sure there's peace between you and your sibling. You know what? Biko, I want you to promise me that you're going to maintain peace. You know? And then
I'll try.
not try. Promise Mama that you are going to maintain peace between you and Mirabel.
Okay, fine. I promise.
That's good. That's my daughter.
Mom, has Mirabel promised to?
Do not worry about that. I'll talk to her immediately after now. And I'm sure she'll come around. Okay?
Mom, for all the stress I've put you through, I'm very sorry.
That's all right. Give me a hand. You're my beloved daughter. Okay?
Thank you, Mommy.
I forgive you. All right?
No one wanna let go. It's a terrible situation. Oh, with so much sacrifice. Yeah, it's a critical situation. months of sacrifice. Yeah.
Hey, cousin.
Tina.
I'm sorry, I was packing my things upstairs.
Sorry.
Sorry.
I don't get. You are packing your things?
Yes.
Do you really mean you are going back to Abuja?
I just want to leave this place. Like, I'm getting choked. I want to just go.
You just want to leave this place. What about Lucas?
Lucas. I have not forgotten about Lucas. But still, I do not want to disturb my parents either.
Well, that's fine. Although I'm not comfortable with this, your trip to Abuja. But it's fine.
Hey, cousin, calm down. It is for business, strictly.
For business?
Yes, business.
I hope so.
Whatever.
What about Mirabel? I haven't seen her since I came.
Okay. You're asking Angel Michael Gabriel Ewell. Who? What's my name? Like, am I supposed to be a guided angel?
I'm just curious, you know. After all, she's your sister.
She's your sister. I do not know where she is. I do not care. And I don't give 2F.
Anyways, that's fine. What is it for lunch? I'm very, very, very hungry.
Lunch? I think I have something for lunch.
What's that?
Come. Let me pack my things upstairs. That's you. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. Your fault.
Are you serious?
Yes. I'm not crazy. You are crazy.
Okay.
So let me pack my things upstairs for lunch. Yes. You don't have a choice.
Mom, just stay out of this.
Mirabel, what is going
Stay
on?
out of it.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? You just bought your sister's clothes. What is wrong with you, Mirabel? Why are you behaving like this?
What are you even saying, Mom? What are you saying? I've given everything I have to love. Still, she wants more. She wants to take everything from me. Because of you.
Your sister left Abuja just to give you space because she doesn't want trouble anymore. Why are you behaving like a little girl? Stop this!
Can you stop pretending to be naive, Mom?
Me naive?
That's what she wants you to think. That's what she wants you to believe, Mom. Come on. What's this?
You need to stop all this nonsense in this house. You need to stop this fight in this house. Please, I'm tired of all
So
this.
I am
I'm
the
tired.
one concocting the fights, right? Can't you see?
See what?
She has followed him to Abuja. She tracked Lucas to Abuja.
No. I don't think you are telling me the truth now. She should not follow her. She left for your sake. For you to have peace and for her to have peace too.
Mom, you can hear me, but you don't listen. Your daughter, your precious daughter, has gone to look for Lucas in Abuja. But you know what? That's fine. Yes, absolutely fine. Because I would rather we both die than for her to have Lucas.
How dare you? How dare you, Mirabel? How dare you talk to your mother in such a disgraceful manner? What we sent you to learn from school? Did we teach you how to be dependent on anyone other than yourself? It's you I'm talking to, Mirabel. You know, you just standing there in total disgrace, talking to your mother in such callousness, no shut me. Is this how you behave when you go to the labor market? Be independent, that is the key word.
Dad, I'm sorry. Dad, I'm sorry. Dad, please, I'm sorry. Dad, get the car, please. Get the car ready. Dad, Mom, please, hold it. Dad, hold on. Honey, please, hold on. Please, hold on for me. Oh my God, I'm finished. Honey, please, hold on for me. Please, please, hold on for me. Wait, are you ready? Please, hold on for me, baby, please.
Hello, Tina. How are you?
Mommy, I'm fine. How is Daddy doing? Don't worry,
Have you reached Abuja? So where exactly are you now?
I'm at my place. Why do you ask?
Don't worry. Don't worry, I'm sorry I asked. Just take care of yourself.
Take care, Mom. Take care of Daddy for us, okay?
Baby, oh, baby, I'll be waiting for you. No matter how far you go or where you are, I will wait for you. Baby, can you hear my voice calling? I'll say I will wait for you. No matter how far you go or where you are, I will wait for you.
Mirabel. Mirabel. What's going on? Talk to me. What's going on? What's it?
Calm down, please. Calm down. Calm down. Mirabel, talk to me. What's wrong with you?
It was all my fault.
Don't say that.
It was my fault.
You don't say that.
I did too much. I crossed the line.
You were just angry, Mirabel. That wasn't you. Please stop crying. Stop crying, please. Your dad will be fine, please.
I don't want anything to happen to my papa.
Nothing will happen to him, please. After all, he has gotten off from water condition like this before. So this won't be different. It's going to be alright.
I'm so sorry, Daddy. I'm sorry, Dad.
Okay, stop crying. Stop crying, please. Chill. Please.
So, for how long have you been dating my sister?
Close to a year.
Close to a year. You want to marry a girl you met just a year ago, right?
Tina, she saved my life.
Amazing. So, how many times have I done that for you? Lucas, I waited. I waited for 4 years for you to come back. I was willing to wait for more years if 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 you wanted.
Tina,
But I just knew that someday, sometime, you would do the turn.
look, I never knew she was your sister. Okay, I wouldn't have done anything with her.
Who knows?
Tina, you know me so well.
I don't think so. I do not know you anymore with this kind of stunt you pulled. I don't know you again.
Look, Tina, I am sorry, okay?
I wouldn't have tried anything if I knew. And for trying, I'm sorry. Please.
Baby, oh baby, I'll be waiting for you. No matter how
I'm
far
sorry.
you go or where you are, I will wait for you. Baby, can you hear my voice calling?
Honey? Honey? Hey, honey? Honey? Hey, nurse! Nurse! Please. Doctor! Nurse! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Doctor!
Isn't it, please? You can't continue to grieve all day. I'm begging you to put yourself together. Perhaps you need to get something to eat. Just look at you, please. Stop crying, that's okay, please, okay?
He's gone. Just like that. Just like that.
Izini, calm down. Calm down. Your tears won't bring him back. Please.
I should calm down. You say I should calm down when I know that I'm next in line.
What do you mean?
My husband died trying to settle the dispute between his daughters. He was trying to settle the dispute between them. Am I not the one next in line?
Izini,
now?
no. I won't sit here and have you speak negative. No, please. Don't say that. Why would you say such a thing? Next in line to die? Why?
These children have killed their own
Izini,
father.
please, it's enough. Please. Izini, please. That's okay. Now listen to me. Izini, listen to me. I am assuring you, I am going to do everything I can to make sure that I settle this dispute between them. Just trust me on this.
Now I'm a widow now.
Izini, you heard me.
I'm a widow.
Izini, please. That's okay. Please stop crying. Put yourself together. You can't go on doing all this. That's okay, please. That's alright, okay? Izini, you can't go on doing all this. You can't. Yes, fine, your husband is gone. Your tears won't bring him back. Just put yourself together, and the way forward is what we should be looking at now.
That was why we decided to come to you, our counselor, to help us remedy this situation if it's possible.
Thank you, Mrs. Izini. I know your husband very well, and I believe he would have wanted us together to solve this case. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Counselor. We've all heard the stories that has been told here, which seem to correspond with one another. But of course, there is only one person that can help us complete this story before we finally render our assessment. Mirabel, I want to ask you, do you have anything to add or to say?
None of this was my intention at first. All I ever wanted was a life of adventure. A life of free will to do whatever I wanted to do. I didn't want to be known as that little girl who just left school. So, I decided to work my way into the heart of society.
I say you're not going anywhere. You go nowhere.
Mom.
Don't mommy me. If you leave this house, who will do the dishes? Who? Me? I won't try it.
Sweetheart, let's hire her out. Okay? Mirabel,
Dad.
what kind of job do you want to pursue at the city?
First off, I run a blog. Yes, and it's fast growing. I need to go out there, meet some people who could teach me a thing or two about it.
Mirabel, blogging is mobile business. You can still do that here. Can't you do it here?
Ask how. Ask this girl.
I can't, Dad. Like I said, I started this thing. I know what it entails. But I need to go out and, there's some people who are really good at this thing. I need to up my game, Dad. So I need to go out there and work on it. Besides, I'm still within the state. If you need me, you could just call me anytime. I'll rush home.
Is blogging a job? Is blogging a job?
For the obtained time, yes, Mom. It's a real job. Put some respect to it.
It's okay. As long as you are sure about what you just said, you always come to check on me, then I'm fine with it.
Thank you, Daddy.
It's okay. I just need you to always be in your best behavior.
Always, I promise.
Always have a positive attitudinal change, and I'll be fine.
I will, Dad.
If you like, I'll find a new job.
Sorry, Daddy. Sorry, Dad. Sorry. Sorry, Daddy. Should I get you water?
No, I'll take him to the room. I'll take you upstairs to give you your drugs, okay?
The drugs, yeah?
Sorry, Daddy.
Okay. I will help myself.
Hey, come on. Just your number. That's what I want. That's all.
How many times would I say no? What's this? Okay, fine. If I give you my number, will you leave me alone?
Yes, I promise. Hence, you'll accept for us to have a date sometime soon.
Jesus Christ, Ebuka, what's this? Why are you stalking me?
Oh, you still remember my name?
Why won't I remember the name of the man that stalks me daily?
Okay, fine. But just let me have your number, please.
And if I refuse?
Well, you leave me with no option than to get it my own way.
This is harassment.
How?
You already heard the young lady. She said you should leave her alone.
Bros, who you dey talk to? What be that? You dey crazy. So,
Can you just leave me the hell alone?
Can you just leave her alone? Did you hear her? She said no.
you a nigga. Come on, bros. Wait till be your own. Wait till consider for this matter. I said they check your matter everything. See, guy, back well, with your baby like evil forest. I go change your color. Wait till be that now. Wait till consider for here. At the top of my girl, you the big mouth.
Anyways, I'll have you arrested for harassment if you don't leave this young woman alone.
For your mind now, they fear police, Abi. You be police, Abi soldier. Who you be? Abi you be Tinu brother. And they fear you. Who you be? Wait till consider for this matter. This is a family matter. It no concern you. Call police, come now.
No. My parents beat me every time I played that song.
Really?
They said it was too advanced for my age. If only they knew what I had been doing, at my age.
Well, you don't look like you have the bad girl vibe.
No, I don't. But I'm brutally honest with people.
Well, me too. It's what I mean. What's there to lie? When you know that the truth will obviously come out.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
But I agree, but sometimes it's okay to lie in some situations,
Really? What situation?
So many situations. Tell me, have you ever stolen meat from your parents' pot?
Have I?
You see, you cannot even tell me the truth. Come on. Ah, I miss my parents.
Are you still here?
Yeah, of course. Yours?
No, I lost my parent.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's fine.
But how long has it been?
8 years.
Wow,
Mm-hmm.
that's pretty sad. Anyway, are you an only child?
No, I have a younger brother who lives abroad.
Nice.
And what about you?
Well, I have an elder sister. Well, I wish I was an only child.
Crazy.
I know. The black sheep of the house, of course.
Now it's beginning to get obvious. There's so much trouble.
No, it's not that.
I'm sure you'll be giving the young lady
But
trouble.
I told you I was brutally honest. I just said so.
I know. It's obvious. I can see it.
Oh, you don't want me to be honest with you. Ow.
Let me help you with that.
Thank you.
Baby, last night was really amazing. So,
Yeah.
what are we going to do today?
Let's see. What do you think we should do?
More marathon.
Are you for real?
No. I tell you, I
You're
don't know.
naughty. Okay. I think I'd like to visit the salon. Let's do this. Why not come with me to the hair salon?
Okay, so no.
What's that?
No.
Really?
Unless you'd call me to the barber shop.
Ew! What would I do at the barber shop? Please.
Oh, okay. So you don't want to call me, but you want me to come with you. Well, that settles it then.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Okay, fine.
I'm not talking to you.
I'll come with you. It's okay.
You come with me, right?
Yeah, sure. Whenever you're ready.
Miss Mirabel, how are you doing?
Dad, I feel like I've been run over by a truck. How is Lucas? Is he fine?
He's fine. He's not responding.
How can I see him?
Oh, Dad. He can't even wait to set his eyes on you. I think you both hold something very strong together. That's very nice.
I love him, Doctor.
Okay. I'll leave you to take your rest, yeah?
Thank you, Doctor.
I'll be right back.
Baby, you know you have to meet my family, right?
Whatever.
Are you sure about this?
Of course I have. Why?
I just feel everything feels rushed. Are you sure I didn't make a mistake back then?
Come on. I mean, you see the way without you, I don't think I would believe him. I want to do everything possible for me to be with you and take care of you.
Are you sure? I mean, I don't want us to make a mistake.
I promise to take care of you. I promise you.
You promise?
I was so into him that I fell and fell really hard. Okay. And now, slowly, up on them. Open. Ta-da! Wow! I'm getting married! Oh my God! This is the happiest news
Oh, this is beautiful.
Oh, Mom, you're forgetting something.
So who is the man that slipped us into this finger?
Well, Mom, there's something you forgot. You said it's beautiful?
Yes,
Oh, these are the most precious diamonds you've ever seen in a while.
Good. Good. But I want to know who did this. Who gave you this ring?
Okay, Mom.
Yes.
Yet again, please sit.
Okay.
Yes. His name is Lucas Lawrence. Fancy name.
Lucas Lawrence, fancy name, yes. But what does he do for a living?
Well, imports, exports, you know.
Oh, this is good news. This is beautiful. But have you told your sister about this?
No, but definitely I will. I just thought to share the good news with
I
you.
am basically the happiest mother in town.
Mom,
Yes.
what's this? It's my wedding, not yours.
Yes,
Have you
but
forgotten?
I am the mother of the bride. And I am going to be the mother of the most beautiful bride ever lived. So,
I think we have to stop sending you clothing because you're becoming too fly.
Hi, big sis. How are you? Yeah, you heard right. I'm getting married soon. Please, just come back. Come back pretty soon. Yeah, it seems I'm developing cold feet already. I'll need you. Biko now. Come. What? Uh, why would I tell you the name of my man? You're crazy, I swear. Okay, wait. Are you coming? Now you're talking. Yeah. No, wait. Please make sure to bring me some potatoes when you're coming. Oh, my favorite, of course. You already know that.
So, you still do not want me to know about this guy?
Cool your horses, sis. You will get to meet him eventually.
So, where did you guys meet?
There, sis. I see you're in the mood for gossip. Well, we met in the same state. And we sort of connected immediately.
So, am I to say that was love at first sight?
No, I wouldn't say it was love at first sight, but it was close.
It was close. It was close. Okay. Well, I still want to ask you one thing. I hope it's not wild.
Okay. He is wild in some certain areas.
Mirabel!
Come on. You wanted to know the juicy gossip.
You are, oh my goodness.
And you wanted to know. Look at what you just did. You just spoiled my hard work. You should be in the kitchen. Now that you're home, you should help out in the kitchen, of course.
Who?
You, of course.
Huh. Jeez.
What are you doing?
Can I have my phone?
I need to see what you're doing. I'm sorry.
Can I have my phone?
What's that? What are you talking? Oh, you're so boring. Come on, look at your answers. I need to help you. Oh.
With what?
At this rate, you'll never find a man. Please. I was unaware of what was coming to me.
Tina. Tina. Tina, this is you.
Lucas, where have you been? I waited. I waited, searched everywhere for you.
I'm sorry. I came back. I searched for you too. I'm sorry.
It's fine. You're here now. You're here now.
At that moment, I felt my world crumble right before my very eyes. What the hell is going on here?
Mommy, this is my long-lost fiancé.
What manner of rock? What utter nonsense are you talking about? What's that? I knew something was wrong. And at that point, I saw Tina as a threat to my new reality.
It's my fiancé.
Have you suddenly developed amnesia? In case you do not understand, let me explain it to you. As you can see, what is happening here is we're in the process of getting married. Okay?
No, that cannot happen. It has to be over my dead body. You cannot have my man. What? Did you hear me? You cannot have my man.
Tina, you do know my name. And excuse you, do you even have a man? No. What do you have what it takes? Are you smart enough to have a man?
Oh, you are smart enough.
Of course
Smart
I am.
TV.
Of course
You used
I
one.
am.
You were used one. Tokumbo, you are senseless.
And that's why you feel pain.
Stay clear, my man.
What
Mirabel.
man? What man? If you feel you're possessed, then just talk to him next time. No, just even smile at him.
Just shut up,
You are
please.
sick.
Both of you are siblings.
Who?
Both of you are siblings.
Did you just speak? Can you hear yourself speak? Are you sick? Are you mad? Who is your sibling?
Agnes.
Who is your sibling?
Sit your ass
Be
down
very careful.
and do not talk on what does not concern you. Do you understand me?
Please, just calm down.
Shut up! Shut up! You. Stay clear from Lucas.
Get that thing off my face.
I am talking to you.
Get that thing off my
Stay
face.
clear, Lucas. I'm not
stay
joking
clear
with
of
you.
him.
I'm not joking with
Stay
you.
off him.
I'm not joking
and
with
if
you.
you think you're so powerful, repeat all the nonsense you've been saying.
Mirabel.
Yes, repeat.
Stay clear, Lucas. I'm not joking with you.
No, you stay clear.
I'm not joking with you.
You stay clear.
Get out.
You stay clear.
Be careful.
You be careful.
Be very careful.
You be careful.
What is going on? I will crush you. What is going on here? What is it? I will crush you. What is it? I will crush you. What is going on? Talk to me. What is happening here?
Leave me alone.
What's wrong with my job? What is wrong with this thing?
Come and fight me.
Where's a snatcher from the pit of hell? Stay clear, my man. Shut up, your mother. Tell me what's going on here.
You can't even get a man.
Do you have a man?
Oh,
you are a bloody snatcher.
Oh, please.
You are a bloody snatcher. You are a Be careful with me. I am not joking with you. I am talking to you and your mother. Talk to her. Talk to her. Stop holding me. Get out.
You think you're the only one that can
clear my man.
You think you're the only one that can shout?
Stay clear my man.
What has done to me?
I'm not to you. Stay clear my man.
Mom, you know what? You and Dad wasted money. Trust me. Because you just said that thing. That thief. Lucas wasn't taking my calls anymore. I saw that I had so much to lose. And if this was a fight, I was losing. So, I gathered courage and I declared war officially. I learned earlier from Agnes that Tina had gone to Abuja to avoid trouble. It didn't take long for me to figure it out. Lucas had been. So I had to show that I was angry. But the anger backfired badly when my brother got involved. Come in. Come in. Who's it? Listen, I don't want any trouble, so if you could please just leave me alone.
I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry.
Now you're sorry?
Mirabel. All these things were just a little misunderstanding.
So now you know. Really?
Please, I'm begging you.
To do what exactly? Why you? I don't get it. To leave my kidney with an ex who is clearly moved on with another woman. Tell me, who would do that? What sort of person would do that?
I'm sorry for everything I did to hurt you.
Why are you begging me? Why are you beg? You don't need to beg me. Okay, I have a solution. Let's do this. Say you give him your kidney, while I gladly take mine back and just happily be on the next flight to say the Bahamas or say Italy or, for a nice vacation. That would be really pleasant. Yes.
I'm pregnant.
What? What?
I'm pregnant for Lucas.
What? When did you know?
This morning.
Have you?
Nobody knows about it. Not even Lucas.
I'm sorry.
I know. I know. I know that I've not been the best sister to you. I'm sorry. sorry.
Tina,
Hey, listen. Listen to me. I do not want to have my child come into this world fatherless. And I do not want to lose you.
Tina,
just listen to me. So I will give you a kidney.
Tina, it has not gotten to this.
Just listen to me. Promise me. Just if I do not make it out, please, just promise me that you will take care of my child.
It hasn't gotten to this.
Just listen to me. Please. Promise me that you will take care of my child as your own. Just promise me. Please.
I promise.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Once again, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Good night.
Greetings once again to everyone here. We have conveyed here once more to finalize a solution to the problem within the Jacobs family. If there's anyone who has got anything to say, please speak freely. You have the floor.
I'd like to say, I'm sorry, Mirabel. I'm really sorry for breaking your heart. It was never my intention. And I want to let you know that any decision you take now, I would solely stand on it. And, Tina, I'm sorry. I never intended to cause you so much trauma. I never intended to hurt you as well. I'm sorry.
Anyone else, please? Okay, in absentia.
Oh, I have something to say.
Speak freely.
First off, I would like to say I'm sorry, Mom. This past few weeks has not been easy for you. I know I have been obstinate, pig-headed, obnoxious, name it, stubborn. I'm truly sorry. And the death of Dad,
Please, forgive me. My actions have cost us a lot.
It's okay. I was never angry at you. And I can never be angry at you. Okay?
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom. Secondly, I would like to apologize to my sister, Tina. I know this is coming as a shock to you, but the truth remains that you are my big sister. You've always looked out for me. You've always had my back. And I know I've made the past couple of weeks really hell for you. It's been a turmoil for you. And I'm sorry. And I'll always love you. And I just hope you forgive and forget everything that has happened. I'm sorry.
I forgive you. I forgive you from the depth of my heart.
I know. You've always been the good one, so. Lastly, I would like to revoke the condition I had placed earlier of Lucas returning my kidney. I'm genuinely asking you to keep it for when the babies, my nephew and niece, are gonna come.
What nephews and nieces?
Well,
Mommy, I'm pregnant. God.
No. Well, at this point in time, I just want to say a big thank you to you, Mirabel, for the good thing that you got just now. And I tell you, just keep it up, and you will see that it pays for one to be good.
Thank you.
All quite appreciate it.
Mirabel,
Yeah.
it takes courage to do what you just did. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. Who is it? You know what? Come in. It's open. Enter.
Hello.
Hi. Good day.
Good day. How are you?
Very well, thank you. Please sit.
Thank you. I actually came to drop an information for you.
Which is?
Okay, for starters, your recent bravery towards my nephew, Lucas, and your sister did not go unnoticed by me. I want to say thank you. I'm short of words.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
It's nothing.
Secondly, I heard you write blogs. Is that true?
That I do, yes. It's true.
Okay. Now, I had some discussions with a few firms in the UK, and they have vacancies for what you do, and you're willing to pay handsomely. Salary and allowances.
That's quite interesting.
Okay, now there's a problem.
Which is?
I will be going back by the weekend to UK, so if you have a decision ready, please let me know.
Okay, I'll think it over and I'll let you know.
All right. Here. Here's my card. Please call me at any time, okay?
Sure, I will. Thank you.
You're welcome. And thank you once again.
It's okay.
I will take my leave now.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
And for you, make sure you take care of them, okay? So, shall we?